Hello everyone, we are going to make a flyer design in Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's get started. First we have to make a design like a border on another shape. Just take pen tool, press shift and drag direct line. Just take direct selection tool and click on it and click on it. Just change into this one and adjust here. Take direct selection tool, and send to back it. So you can see, but here you can adjust. And you can make the border of your object. And change your artboard size from here. With Alt and Shift, you can increase the size from width and height and change the size, and you can add gradient. Yes, I think it's okay. And bring to front. Yes. Select this one and select this one. And drag here. We will paste here a picture. Just take any picture from Google. I download it. You can download it from description. You can increase the size. Too much bad picture from pixelated, so just leave this one and change. Ungroup it, and this part will go to the back. And this part will be front. And we will adjust this one.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Here you can write anything. Just I am writing who are we. You can change the color of your writing, just white, and press Ctrl T, and you can change the just this one and change this one. Here you can give it space so you can see this, and you can add here some more writing and change the color of can add here writing from Google, and if you want to write more anything you can add this one. I add from Google. So open your any Chrome browser, just text, and you can add this one and add here. Add more anything here, just take this one and add here. And you can change the color of your writing, just this, and must be paragraph aligned. Yes, it's okay, and you can adjust from here, and here you can add your phone number and your address. So one more thing, here you can add logo. So we are going to make a shape.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock
write here a logo. Remember one thing, if you are writing in your artwork and your poster designing, so please remember this one. First write one thing in bold, and then second write in regular. I am going to this one.
Shutterstock Music. 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 Shutterstock Music.
Here, okay, and we are going to stop here. I hope you enjoy it and you can see how to make flyer design in Adobe Illustrator CC. If you are coming here first time, so please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.